Highest earning TikTokers. Imagine a life of success, fame, money, not to mention music collaborations with your favorite artists and partnerships with some of the world's most iconic brands. All garnered from uploading lip-syncing videos on TikTok. Welcome to The Royal. Today, we are going to take a look at the highest earning TikTokers. Before we get into the video, The Royal is running a free competition where one lucky winner will receive a $1,000 Amazon gift card. Stay tuned and look out for our entry requirements, and you could be walking away with this fantastic prize. Now, on to today's video. Kickstarting our list at number 10, we have Baby Ariel. Baby Ariel is a TikToker that needs no introduction. In fact, the 20-year-old rose to fame when TikTok wasn't even a thing. Her journey to becoming one of the most recognizable faces on the platform started back in 2015, when she downloaded the Musical.ly app out of sheer boredom. The app was the first of its kind, so it was getting insanely popular at an alarming rate. Baby Ariel began posting lip-syncing videos on the app, and I guess you could say the rest is history. Baby Ariel has since been featured on CNN, 17 magazine, as well as Forbes for her impressive accomplishments. She now acts, sings, and has her own sticker app. While Baby Ariel's annual earnings has yet to be revealed, her net worth is estimated to be at least $6 million. Number 9. Spencer X. TikToker Spencer X is a prime example of how you can make a career out of beatboxing. As a young child, Spencer dedicated a lot of his time to obsessively watching and learning from other beatboxers on YouTube, with hopes and aspirations to become the world's first celebrity beatboxer. He dropped out of college to pursue that dream of his, and he spent most of his 20s landing beatboxing gigs here and there. In 2019, with only a few $100s next to his name, Spencer moved to LA as his TikTok account was starting to garner millions of followers. He was soon able to achieve his dream of turning beatboxing into a stable career. Thanks to sponsorships and partnerships with brands such as Oreo, Sony, Spencer X racked up a sweet $1.2 million. Number 8. Michael Lee. With an annual salary of $1.2 million, Michael Lee is a TikToker that doesn't hesitate to take everything to the next level. And it seems like the golden rule for TikTokers who have made it big on the platform is to start a creator collective with other people. And that's exactly what Michael Lee did. He started the Shlove House, which is a creative take on the word self-love, and his choice of a headquarter fell on a lavish 9,000 square feet Spanish modernist mansion that's located in Los Angeles. Number 7. Josh Richards. If there's someone who can monetize and use fame to their advantage, Josh Richards definitely takes the cake for being that person. He's currently one of the highest paid influencers on the platform, earning $1.5 million in 2020, thanks to his smart business decisions. The co-founder of the Sway House has made quite the transition from being TikTok's edgy bad boy to landing a job as a social media executive of Triller. Richards has also landed several partnerships with major companies, the likes of Reebok and House Party, created his own clothing line for his adoring fans, and has even gotten a song deal with Warner Brothers. Number 6. Riaz Ali. Halfway across the world from Josh Richards is an Indian influencer who managed to take Asia by storm. Dubbed as India's most popular fashion influencer, Riaz Ali is a 17-year-old who has gained a lot of fame on TikTok despite his young age, a fame that has earned the young TikToker an impressive $2 million in 2020. Ali started his career by posting videos on Instagram before later moving on to TikTok, where he started gaining momentum. He posts an array of lip-sync videos and comedy skits, and his videos got so popular that he collaborated with big names in the Indian music industry, such as Nia and Tony Kakkar. Number 5. Lauren Gray. Unlike the majority of TikTokers we've mentioned on this list, Lauren Gray's journey to becoming who she is today was no walk in the park. She started gaining a large following after posting lip-sync videos on Musical.ly at just the age of 13. While her videos were met with great reception from the internet, it was the complete opposite in real life. Gray soon moved to Los Angeles to get away from all the bullying and harassment she has received at school, and to grow as a social media influencer. With her overwhelming fame came a string of bad decisions that involved bad managers and botched sponsorship deals. Yet, she persevered through all of that. Gray has made a whopping $2.6 million in 2020 as she continued to be one of the most successful social media personalities across several platforms. Number 4. Dixie D'Amelio. Being the sister of one of the biggest content creators on TikTok might lead to living in the shadows of said sister. However, that's not the case for Dixie D'Amelio. Although the 19-year-old didn't start creating and uploading her own TikTok videos until her younger sister had already shot to stardom, her fame is parallel with her sister. The two siblings left their home in Connecticut to live in the city of Los Angeles where dreams come true. Currently, she's the 7th most followed person on TikTok, and she has signed several deals along with Charli for Hollister and Morphe. Moreover, Dixie has recently been dabbling with acting, starring in the medical drama of Attaway General, as well as with music, where her debut single Be Happy had garnered more than 55 million streams on Spotify and became the #1 trending video on YouTube, beating Kanye West and Travis Scott's music videos that were released on the same day. And from all those different income streams, the older D'Amelio sister has made $2.9 million in 2020. Number 3. Zach King. If you've been on the internet long enough, then you probably have stumbled upon one of Zach King's viral videos at some point. The 30-year-old internet personality got his start on Vine in 2013, where he would post digitally edited magic vines. And these 6-second videos soon accumulated millions of views and followers. And it's fair to say that Zach King became a household name to the people on the internet in a short amount of time. With Vine shutting down, King went on to post his videos on TikTok, and he hit it big. One of King's all-time impressive achievements came in the form of a TikTok video that he had uploaded in December of 2019. In under just 4 days, that video had reached a mind-blowing 2.1 billion views. Currently, King's the 3rd most followed person on the app, with over 45 million followers. In 2020, it was revealed that King has made $3 million, earning a shocking $41,000 per post. Number 2. Charli D'Amelio. Charli D'Amelio is one of the most recognizable faces on the internet. Charli, who was a competitive dancer for over 10 years, started actively posting dance and lip sync videos during the summer of 2019, and her videos immediately went viral. Soon enough, she was invited by pop singer Reba Rexa to join her opening for the Jonas Brothers concert, which took place in Brooklyn. Additionally, Charli has been featured on The Tonight Show, starring Jimmy Fallon, and has appeared in a Super Bowl commercial. As for sponsorships, she has signed deals with Hollister and Morphe alongside Dixie and has her own merchandise line, which made the TikToker an astronomical yearly salary of $4 million. And shockingly, she did all of that whilst being a teenager. Before we reveal who's the highest earning TikToker, let's get into the details of the competition. As we've mentioned, we will be giving away $1,000 Amazon gift card for one lucky winner. So if you'd like to join, all you have to do is subscribe to The Royal, like this video, and leave a comment below explaining why you should win. Number 1. Addison Rae Easterling. Before TikTok, Easterling was your typical college student at LSU, living the usual college life like any other young adult her age. Addison joined TikTok in July of 2019, and within 3 months, the 20-year-old's account hit 1 million followers. With that fame, people around campus started recognizing her, and some would even ask for her autograph. After Addison's first sponsorship with Fashion Nova, she dropped out of college to pursue a career on the internet. Business opportunities were coming her way nonstop, and she capitalized on the newfound success to become one of the biggest names, let's not forget to mention, the highest earning individual on TikTok, with a staggering $5 million annual takings in 2020. And that's it, folks, for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. Has your favorite TikToker made it on this list? Leave your answer in a comment below. We would love to know. Also, make sure you like the video, subscribe to The Royal for more content, and click on the notification bell below to be notified whenever we upload new videos and future competitions. Thank you for watching and see you next time.